What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here on this Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube. All right. So I'd like to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 Show Facebook Live show. All right. We got the man of the house, the man of the hour. What you want to say?
I'm like, yeah, boy. With the 99 and the 2000.
Well, 99 and 2000.
99 and the 2000.
But that's over when we're in 2020 to 21.
Same feeling. That's what I'm trying to tell you. The same feeling.
Oh yeah.
99 and 2000. Get what? In 2020.
Oh, no cursing on Facebook Live. Not on the Facebook Live.
Oh, why?
Not on the Facebook Live, but on my other show with the other camera, you know. Well, I got family watching on the Facebook Live.
New decade. For a new decade.
Oh.
For a new decade.
For a new decade, all right.
Yeah, that's real.
Oh yeah, only when I said viewer discretion is advised. Then
you get cursed.
Yep.
Then you get cursed.
To eat, dog.
Oh, what you say?
Get you and Brock some
We
hamburgers.
go
Oh, well,
we
hamburgers. You want to open
No,
them?
look, them hamburgers over the dunk, huh?
Oh,
big ribs.
big ribs.
Big ribs.
Yeah.
Big time.
Yep.
Alright, go.
Big ribs. Yes, indeed. Okay. All right. All right. So, Diamond, anybody you want to say hi to on this one?
I want to say hi to you. Big up to you and your
Dominoes 7. Dominoes 7.
Big up to you and your shit.
All right. All right. You know, I heard so much about you. Yeah, cool people. You're close friends with Monique.
I am. Yeah, that's my girl.
All right. You want to say hi to Monique?
Okay.
All right. And your mom?
Let that go down. I ain't gonna let that go first. Tell her how it go.
Huh?
Who our best friend is?
Monique, huh?
Exactly.
Right.
And anybody you want to say hi to? All right. Anybody you want to say hi to? Oh, well. Yeah, but because y'all know Drew Carey always make somebody say hi. I'm not Drew Carey. I'm Domino. I'm not even Bob Barker. Dominoes 7.
Domino what?
Dominoes 7.
Domino 7?
Yeah. 7, not 7. Oh.
Wait, what? I'm sorry. 7?
7.
7.
Well, that was an insult, but I'm going to take that as a
You
joke.
know how you roll them dice, roll them dice. Hit a
It should be
7.
like Dice 7, not that one.
Well, don't tell Domino what to do.
Right, I'm sorry.
Arr.
What can I call you for short? D7?
Domino. Oh, D7, but call me Domino.
7.
Domino.
Do you watch my show?
What?
Do you watch my show?
But I will. It's just entertaining.
Hardy. Huh? What'd you say?
7 is seems entertaining. I'm going to start watching.
All right. Well, all right. So I better be careful because I'm gonna try to do what I can because I might get fired. Oh, you don't want to be on the show? Oh, snap. Well, you should have told me that. But well, anyway. All right. So the camera's on me now. So anyway. Oh, you want to say something?
What I'm gonna say is, it's going down.
All right.
2020, COVID-19.
Mm-hmm.
We together.
Yep.
Can't separate us.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Piece of pie.
Piece of pie.
Piece of pizza.
Piece of rib.
Piece of rib. Oh, that's a new one.
Piece of rib.
Tell Nyla that. Oh, Nyla might start watching.
Tell me it's piece of rib.
Piece of rib.
That's a piece.
All right. So.
That's a piece.
Before y'all go, I got to get some pictures of y'all.
All right. I bet the all right. I'm about to stop this tape, this live footage. So thank y'all for watching the Dominoes 7 Facebook Live. Piece of cake. All right.